In a forest full of cheer lives a bunny hopping near. That's our Robbie, brave and bright, with curious eyes and heart so light. One fine day he finds a map with rainbow colors in a wrap. A land of magic, clouds and fun. Oh wow, let's go, the race has begun. Hop, hop, Robbie, go off to where the rainbows glow. With a heart so pure and dreams so high, let's reach that candy-colored sky. La la la, come join the ride, with friends and courage by your side. Through every hill and sparkling sand, let's find the rainbow land. Through the woods and over stones, Robbie walks with happy tones. He meets an owl so wise and old, with shiny eyes and feathers gold. Follow your heart, the old owl said, stay true and kind in what's ahead. Robbie nods and hops with glee, a forest path, wild and free. Hop, hop, Robbie, go off to where the rainbows glow. With a heart so pure and dreams so high, let's reach that candy-colored sky. La la la, come join the ride, with friends and courage by your side. Through every hill and sparkling sand, let's find the rainbow land. A river flows with shining fish, they sparkle, twirl, and swish, swish, swish. Robbie jumps on a wooden beams, balancing through his rainbow dreams. Then a mountain tall and steep looks so high and looks so deep. But Robbie climbs with steady feet and finds the view so calm, so sweet. He finds a garden full of bloom, the flowers dance and brightly zoom. You may pass, the flowers sing, if your heart holds love and spring. Robbie tells them of his quest, of friendship, hope, and doing his best. The flowers smile and swing around, the gate to Rainbowland is found. Hop, hop, Robbie, go off to where the rainbows glow. With a heart so pure and dreams so high, let's reach that candy-colored sky. La la la, come join the ride, with friends and courage by your side. Through every hill and sparkling sand, let's find the rainbow land. The clouds are made of cotton sweet, and candy fruits grow by your feet. Robbie spins and laughs with glee in this land of fantasy. But soon the sun begins to set, and Robbie knows no time to fret. He waves goodbye, his heart so full, with memories bright and wonderful. Hop, hop, Robbie, go back from where the rainbows glow. Though the journey's at its end, you found magic with a friend.